a practical book like this, okay, where there will be 3 column. In qualitative test only, okay, 3 column. In quantitative test you have to explain everything, okay, procedure and principle and all calculation. But in qualitative test like Benedict test, you have to make only 3 column. Experiment, no, it's not board. Okay. You have to make 3 column like experiment, where you will explain the procedure, like take 5 ml of Benedict solution in one test tube and add 8 drops, whatever Sat told you, okay. So 3 column will be experiment, where procedure will be explained. Guys, please write this. This column for only qualitative test, okay. Quantitative test will be explained in future. There will be everything in the procedure, principle, calculation in quantitative test. Only qualitative test have 3 column. Yeah. Experiment where procedure will be explained. Observation, like what color you are observed. If if anyone observed brick color, brick red color or green color, whatever you observed, you just write it. Please try to write brick red, because it's the final observation and for what we are doing this test, and the examiner will also ask question from brick red to green and yellow, okay. So try to write brick red, and please consult with your friends also, what are they are writing and what they are doing. You can take advice from your seniors also. Observation, and the third column will be inference. Inference means you are seeing brick red color, so what is present in the urine, okay, you are observing. Yeah, somewhat same. Inference, reducing sugar is present, like that. Not please don't write glucose is present, okay, write reducing sugar is present. That's all for qualitative test, that's all. And there will be further qualitative tests like heat and acetic acid, say sulfosalicylic acid, and some 3 or 2 or 3 more. For qualitative test, make these 3 column. And okay, one more thing, that if you can write, please write one line clinical interpretation. Clinical interpretation means what? In exam also we want to see clinical interpretation of the test, and there will be extra number for that also. Clinical interpretation means reducing sugar is present, that means the patient may have diabetes. We are not saying that patient is having surely diabetes, that patient may have diabetes, okay.